Okay, so I'm off to the chiropractor, but I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you and share it with you as soon as possible. Here we go. 5 legit income streams for your business online. No, I don't mean chasing dollars here and there online. I mean creating a business and a brand, serving an audience with value in a specific niche. That's what I'm talking about, and that's what you're gonna get right now. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor, here to help you create the business and life you deserve. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on everything online business. 5 legit income streams, and I'm gonna give you 4 more as a bonus towards the end of this video. Just to be clear, once you're ready to step up and do the work, we've got free training for you to grab in the description of this video. One completely legit income stream is print on demand, and regardless of your niche, you could always create prints or designs and put them on products in a print on demand web shop. One that is super easy to set up is Redbubble. You just go ahead and head over to redbubble.com, you create a store, and then you start uploading your designs. Designs that you can create with Canva, for example. We've got links down in the description for you to grab Canva as well. So regardless of your niche, print on demand is super easy, and with Redbubble, it's free. So Redbubble will take care of everything for you. You just have to upload your designs and put them on the products. Then Redbubble will market your products, show them to potential customers that are searching the Redbubble database for specific keywords that you have tagged your products with. So it's super easy to get going, and I swear within days from uploading my first design, I made a sale. You can sell digital products. You can create agendas, calendars, recipes, or instructions of different kinds, put them in a web shop, and then sell them as digital products. You can create a course, put it on a course platform, and have people take your course. A completely legit way of making money online is to become an affiliate marketer, meaning that you're an affiliate for products and services of other brands that you are providing to your audience. And every time someone clicks your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you get a commission. So there are recurring commissions in some programs, and then there are one-time commissions in other programs. High or low, you just have to research and check it out. The perfect thing about being an affiliate is that you can provide your audience with tons of products and services that you don't have to deliver on yourself. It's like being a salesperson online and you get a commission. That means you can also provide a variety of products and services to your audience. How good does that sound? Smash like if this is giving you value. A completely legit way of making money online is to partner with other companies in sponsor deals. So you set up a brand deal with another company and they're gonna sponsor your online content. So if you're blogging, vlogging, making videos, or whatever, you can have a sponsor to a specific piece of content, which means that you're getting money into your pocket. These brand deals usually require an audience, so you have to build influence and an audience in order for other companies to come knocking on your door. But until you have that audience, you could always knock on theirs and propose a cooperation. Within the passion and competence that you have, you can provide services online, like coaching services, workshop, or maybe a course online, which means that you can provide group sessions, individual sessions, and so on. So being a consultant online, and you can make money from that, perfectly legit in your online business. And now for the 4 bonuses. You know, if you partner up with YouTube, once your channel has enough watch hours and subscribers, you could be part of the YouTube Partner Program, which means that you can make ad revenue. You can have super chat, super thanks, and memberships. Those are 4 bonus legit income streams for your online business right there. Like I said, once you're ready to step up and do the work, we've got free training for you in the description of this video. Whoops, it's time to go. Next, watch this video in order to move forward with your online business. I'll see you in the next one.